Assalamualaikum and good morning again to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all are in good health, enjoying your lectures, enjoying the day, and having a great time. So we are in our numeracy class right now, and we are going to do a little fun today. We have our friend Monkey with us, right? Yeah, he is with us today, and he is a little hungry today. So he wants to eat something. But for that, he has to go from one place to another place to get the food. Okay, so we're going to help him to get the food, and let's see what is he doing. Okay, so he is over here, right? And he wants to eat the apples over there. There's an apple tree. I just want to show you, right? There's an apple tree. I'm just putting it a little aside so we can see the board as well, right? So this is our apple tree over here, and this is our friend Monkey, and he has to reach over there to that apple tree to eat the apples, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to help him, okay? So he needs to jump, and he needs to start from here, right? So he's going to start from number 1. So let's see. Okay, Mr. Monkey, jump. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wow. So he reached over here. Wow. So we have helped the monkey to start from 1 and goes till 10 to reach the apple tree, right? So he is started from 1 and goes up to 10. So if you want to start and go up to the higher number, that is called the forward counting, right? This is called the forward counting. So like starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is forward counting, okay? So Mr. Monkey, you eat the apples. So how many apples do you want to eat? Oh, 10 apples. He said he is going to eat 10 apples, okay? So you eat 10 apples. Okay, and now the monkey's mommy is very upset at home, right? And she is looking for her child. So when Mr. Monkey ate all the 10 apples, now he also want to go home because it's getting dark. Okay, so he has to take the same way to come back. Now let's see what is he going to do. So he have to come back in the same way. So he will come 8, 9, sorry, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and home, right? So what did he do? He came backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Now this is called backward counting. He came all the way backward from 10 to 1, right? This is called backward counting, okay? So he goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was the forward counting. And when he came back from 10, right? Oops, let me just paste it over here. Okay, so he was here and then he has to come back. So he was on 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So he came all the way backward. He backward counted and he easily reached home, right? Okay, that's great. So we are going to write another numbers now, okay? Okay, now have a look at this. Now there's a mouse. He's also a hungry mouse and he wants to eat the cheese. Okay, so, but our mouse is over here and he has to look for the cheese. He has to reach to the cheese. So we are going to help him. Okay, so I'm going to just count to 20 for the mouse to reach the cheese. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, the mouse has reached the cheese. So he is eating the cheese. So he went forward, starting from 1 till 20, and he reached to the piece of the cheese, okay? So he ate all the cheese, right? Shum, shum, shum. Oops. He ate the cheese, and now he has to take the same way to reach his home. But when he came to the cheese, what did he take? He take the number 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And if he has to go back, he has to take the same route to reach to the number 1, because that is the way you're going to reach his home. Okay, now Mr. Mouse is going to start from 20, right? Jump on 19, jump on 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Now here he is going to reach at the end point, okay? And this is called the backward counting, right? What is this called? This is called the backward counting. When we start from 1 and we go up till the higher number, we go to the higher number, that is what we call it a, yes, we call it a forward counting. And when we are coming back, coming down, down, down to the lowest number, that is called the backward counting, right? That is called the backward counting. So there are 2 ways to count. So we are going to count till 10, right? And then we will count from till 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we did forward counting right now, right? And now 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is backwards counting, right? So that's very easy for you to understand. If it's going up, it's going to the higher number, that is the forward counting. And if it's coming down to the lower number, that is backward counting, right? So there are 2 different ways to count, forward and backward. And there is one, when you're playing the hopscotch, you are going up till number 10, right? And then you even come back in the same way, okay? So this is the way we count from 1 till 20, okay? So Okay, now we can even count them forward ones, and we will count them backward. Okay, so we are going to start from the black one. Okay, so we'll go like this, like this, like this, and like this. Okay, and we will reach till the blue one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So they are 24. We have done forward counting right now. Okay, so if we do the backward counting, we will have to start from the blue one because we have ended up over here. This is 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, yes, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yay. So we did the backward counting over here, right? So this is very easy for you to count forward, but a little difficult. You have to put that in mind which number you're in. Like we started from 24. Now we'll do it once again. 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. If we have skipped a number, we won't be able to reach 1. Maybe we'll reach 1 over here or over here if we have missed some number, but we haven't missed the number, so we have reached to the right point from where we have started, right? So this was a little about the forward counting and especially for the backward counting. So you should even write in your book, in your notebook, you write from 1 to 20, and then you write from 20 to 1, right? So that will be fun writing the numbers forward, and that will be more fun writing the numbers in backwards. Okay, so this was a numeracy class right now, and we have done the backward counting, and we have learned about that, and we have counted backward. So I'm going to see you soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. Till we see each other, I will say bye-bye and Allah Hafiz.